Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy in your home. First, gather your essential equipment: a cotton candy machine, granulated sugar, and any flavorings or food coloring you wish to use. Make sure your machine is clean and ready for operation. A clear, open workspace is also helpful for easy collection of the fluffy treat. This simple setup ensures a smooth and fun candy-making experience. Now, let's prepare your sugar. It's crucial to use granulated sugar, as powdered sugar can clog your machine. For a colorful treat, add just a few drops of liquid food coloring directly to your sugar and mix thoroughly. If you prefer a flavored cotton candy, incorporate a small amount of flavoring extract. Ensure the sugar remains dry and free-flowing for optimal results in your machine. With your sugar ready, it's time to make the magic happen. Turn on your cotton candy machine and allow it to preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is hot enough to melt the sugar properly. Once preheated, carefully add 1 or 2 scoops of your prepared sugar into the center receptacle. You'll soon see delicate, sugary threads beginning to emerge. As the sugary threads appear, grab a paper cone or stick. Hold it horizontally and gently twirl it around the spinning head of the machine, collecting the wispy strands. Continue rotating and gathering until you've formed a fluffy cloud of cotton candy. Serve your homemade treat immediately to enjoy its fresh, melt-in-your-mouth texture. It's a delightful and fun experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.